Hi guys, my name is Lucky Charms, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what's in my drag bag. So that means like what I bring with me to shows and what I bring with to like keep the drag good. So if you want to see what's in my drag bag, then keep on watching. Okay, so for this drag bag, I've kind of reduced it because for like big shows, I'll take a suitcase. If I'm like just leaving and doing like a couple of things, I'll take like this bag, another bag with my stuff, with my shoes. And this bag usually has my clothes and then everything else that's in there now. And then I'll bring like a wig head, and then if it's like this wig, I'll like turn it inside out. The little hairnet that comes with your wig, keep those. And then put that on, put it in the bag, and then I'm ready to go. And then I brought like one bag. So for the first thing you're gonna want to bring is water. So yeah, we just have a little rose gold water bottle. I also have a thermos if I'm drinking like tea, but we drink water usually. So for the bag, I usually bring like a backpack. It doesn't matter. So for necessities, hairspray, if you bring it, it's for the group. And then I put in my little nail gloves from Drag Nails Canada. My own little, it's our in-house company. And then I bring my gross brush that I don't care about. Bring a brush you don't care about in case, you know, you lose it. My little diva mask that I need to like wipe the makeup powder off of. But, you know, when you're around people and you're in drag, and you want to make them like feel like you're wearing a mask, the diva mask makes people feel comfortable. I also have a ring light to go on my phone, so that's fun. And then a little powder glitter thing to put on your body. My actual mask for when I get out of drag, because I usually get out of drag there. And the main one, this is a main one. This is a really big one for me. So an essential is duct tape. So I'll duct tape down the front. But then, because I have like my sides out, I don't know, I'll go like back this way instead of going like down. It'll still like do the same hole. And then you put your wig into that if you're doing like a show. Like if you're jumping and doing splits. If you're doing a ballad, you're fine. Like do whatever. But for me, I need duct tape. That's why when I like forget my duct tape, I'm like, someone better have duct tape up in here. People like looked at me crazy when I was like duct taping my head to get ready for my next performance, but honestly, it's like, if you don't know what I'm doing, your wig's about to come off. So I am ready for my wig to go flying.
I hope it does go flying.
Out of this room. My wig will literally never come off if I have the duct tape. Anyways, I also have a handheld fan I usually bring to do the vivacious. And then to fan yourself off. And then I also bring an electric fan. This is not for the group. This is not to share. This is for you. Air is precious. Girl, if the venue's hot, it's for you. And I also bring my powders, my kimchi and my Maybelline, so that I can powder anything off. If you have like a lipstick that you just put on that's like wet and you're gonna be flipping and splitting and all that, you can powder your lips down and then go on and it won't get caught in your hair. But I also, in the line of makeup, bring a lipstick that I'm wearing to touch it up, and also a little mirror.
You're disgusting.
And then I bring these in case anyone needs a wig cap. You know, you give them to them. I also use like a pill bottle. It doesn't have to be a pill bottle, any little container to hold lashes and earrings. I don't wear perfume at home because people in my life are scent sensitive, but I do bring perfume to shows in case I stink. I also have deodorant in case I stink. The next thing is hairpins. Gotta have a bunch of those to like bobby pin the wig in the back and in the sides. This is a neat like safety pins I have in here for like dresses and outfits. I also bring little nail stickers with me, or you can bring your nail glue. And as well as eyelash glue or any type of glue, bring a little set of nails in like a little baggie with these. And I put it in my little kabuki and then I'm on the go. We'll do a separate video about what's in my kabuki, which is like my makeup holder thing, because I bring a bag with my shoes and the makeup holder if you have to do a makeup change. But if you don't have to do or if you're getting ready there, which I have gotten ready there, but this is just for if you're not getting ready there and you're getting ready at home. So the needs, I would say, are water, duct tape, pins, wig caps, and a fan. Everything else is kind of like extra, but if you can bring it, you definitely should, especially when it comes with like hairspray. Oh, Diva mask is a must. I don't know why I discluded it, but bring your Diva mask. So that is the complete video of what's in my drag bag. If you like the video, and let me know what you guys want to see next time. Bye.